Covering Alabama, cases of whooping cough on the rise statewide. News 19's Emily Mosner joins us in the studio now. Emily, what are the medical professionals saying about the rise in cases and how can it be prevented?
Well, Lauren, today I spoke with the director of infection prevention and control at Children's of Alabama. She says there's about a 300% increase in cases statewide compared to this time last year. Now, pertussis is a highly contagious bacterial infection. It's commonly referred to as whooping cough because of the sound a person makes from all the coughing. According to the latest stats from the Alabama Department of Public Health, there have been more than 250 confirmed cases statewide as of December 5th. Now, of course, with the holidays, it is expected that number of cases will go up. Now, the director of infection prevention and control at Children's of Alabama tells me it is extremely contagious, especially for babies.
A lot of our most vulnerable, which is our babies, are not old enough to be vaccinated yet. So they are going to be your biggest population that we need to protect from making sure that they are not in those places where pertussis could be.
Now, she says anyone of any age can contract pertussis, but it can be prevented by getting vaccinated and keeping up with good health practices like washing your hands frequently. Now, the good news is that it can be treated by antibiotics, but experts say you should get on them sooner rather than later so your symptoms will be more mild. Now, with the rising cases, if you do suspect someone in your family is sick, you should go to a doctor as soon as possible.